Hello, and you're very welcome to our course on Microsoft Excel 2019 Advanced. My name's Deborah and I'm your instructor on this course. Now, I've been using Excel for over 20 years, and during that time I've used a number of different versions of Excel in my role as a MOS certified IT trainer and Microsoft subject matter expert. I've been involved in a number of large-scale projects that utilize Excel, and Excel is used widely across different industries and business, in particular finance, but Excel has a much wider reach than that. Many people use it at home to help manage household budgets and personal finances also. Now, it is true to say that whilst applications like Google Sheets are becoming more and more popular, Excel is still the most widely used spreadsheet software in the world. And Excel 2019 is the latest on-premise release from Microsoft, and it differs from Office 365 by the way that it's not a subscription offering. Office 2019 is a one-time purchase desktop application for those who haven't chosen to subscribe to Office 365 and who prefer to purchase the software and essentially own the software on their PC. I like to liken it to property. So Office 365 is for renters. You pay a monthly fee to rent the software from Microsoft, and Office 2019 is like purchasing a house. You buy it once and it's yours forever. Now, with that in mind, if you're coming to this course having used Office 365 previously, you're probably not going to notice too much of a difference at all. All of the updates to Excel 2019 have been available in Office 365 for a while. However, if you're coming to Excel 2019 from a much older version, there will be lots of new stuff in this course for you to sink your teeth into. Now, in this first section, I need to cover a little bit of housekeeping. I need to make you aware that this is not a beginner course. This is an advanced course. If you are a beginner in Excel, then you might want to take a look at our beginner's course on our website. If you've used a much earlier version of Excel, let's say before 2007, but you're a pretty advanced user, you probably should still go through at least some of the elements of our basic course to get up to speed with the ribbon and some of the more recent developments in Microsoft Excel. If you are an accomplished user of 2007 or certainly Excel 2010, 2013 or 2016, you probably have a good enough foundation to cover this course. I'm not going to repeat a lot of the basic information in this course, but I will occasionally do a quick summary of what I'm expecting you to know. If I do a quick summary at the beginning of the section and you think to yourself, I didn't know that, you can always go back to the basic course and review the information that you're not familiar with. Now, one important aspect of this is that throughout the life of Excel, many of the basic aspects of it haven't really changed that much. The ribbon was introduced in 2007, but a lot of the basic aspects of what Excel actually does as a spreadsheet package haven't changed a great deal since the very beginning. However, many things have been added, and in areas such as charts and graphs, if you're only familiar with an older version of Excel, you're probably going to be quite amazed at the different types of charts you can build and the things that you can do. Another thing I want to talk to you about is the version of Excel that this course is based on. This course is entirely based on the installed version of Excel 2019 desktop application. Now, as I mentioned previously, Excel 2019 or Office 2019 differs from Office 365 by the way that it's not a subscription. So if you want Excel 2019 or Office 2019, you will need to download it. And I would refer you to this page on the Microsoft support site, which goes through the instructions of how you can actually install Office 2019 on a PC or Mac. And I would pay particular attention to the information that we have in the grey box just here. Another thing I'd like to mention is that this course will be completed almost exclusively using a keyboard and a mouse. We won't be using touch mode at all. Now, touch mode works very well in Excel now on a tablet device, so it might be that you want to work through this course using touch, and that's entirely up to you. The instructions for enabling touch mode in Excel 2019 are basically the same as enabling touch mode in Excel 2016 or Excel 2013, and there is a page on office.com that you can see here explaining how to do this. It only covers Excel 2013, but as I said, it's pretty much the same process for Excel 2019. The last point I need to make here is that although I'm based in the UK, I'm going to be using US Locale throughout this course, and this will include not only US dollars as the currency, but also adopting things like US data format and the US spell checker. If you want to work along with me as closely as possible, then you may want to adopt that approach too. However, if you would prefer to use your own locale, your own currency, your own date and time, then you should be able to adapt all of the workbooks that I'm providing you with so that you can work with them using your own settings. Now, as this is an advanced course, I'm going to assume you know where in the settings you need to set these things up. But for example, if I click on language, as I have here, you'll see that I usually work with two languages, English United States and English United Kingdom. For the purpose of this course, English United States is going to be my default. So that's an introduction to the course. I am of course assuming now that you have Excel 2019 installed and ready to use. In the next section, I just need to run through with you the course materials supplied with the course and just explain that in the light of the structure of the course. That's where we're going to next. I'll see you there.